So we have this set of equations. We want to convert this set of equations to signal flow graph. So what do? The first thing you need to do whenever you have a problem like this is to identify the input node, output node, and the mix node. The output node are the node that are always at the right hand side. The input node are the ones that are always at the left hand side. So if I look at my right hand side or left hand side, I'm supposed to have output node and I'm supposed to have input node. But in a situation where you have the same nodes repeating, where you're supposed to have an output here, that output you are still seeing it on input side, that is when we call it a mixed node. So if I look closely at this my output, I have W, X, and Y. Do I have any of this output node? Do I have any of it in my input side? Yes. I can see W, I can see W here. So this makes W a mixed node. So W is a mixed node because it appears at both the output and the input side. Let's now get our output node. So our output node is just X and Y, and X and Y doesn't repeat in this space. So I know that it is our output node. It's not a mixed node. Now, or what are our input nodes? Our input nodes are U and V. These are our input nodes. And it's input because it doesn't appear in our output. So it's not a mixed node. So what are we going to do? What we are just going to do now is to put it in our graph. So my inputs will be inside, my output will be in this side. So where is my inputs? U and V. So I have U and I have V. Where is my output? X and Y. So I have X and I have Y. Now I have a mixed node. From the word mix, we're going to keep it in the middle. So these are the nodes. Sorry, I didn't include that. Then we have a mixed node, which is what? W. So let's go back to our equation. So it's saying here that in W is receiving what? U and V. But the U and V is carrying A and B. So at W, I am receiving signal from U and V. So from U to meet W is receiving. What is it carrying? U is carrying A. So A and B, they are called the gains. Likewise, this C and D, they are called the gains. So from U to go to W is carrying A. So this is my gain, right? Which other signal is going to W? V, but carrying V. So V is going to W and is carrying V. So we are done with this first line. So you go to the second equation. The second equation is that the output X, right, is needing W, but carrying C. So this is my output, right? So the output needs, or you can see here that it's carrying W and W is carrying C. So from W, we go to what? We go to X and it's carrying what? It's carrying C. C is the gain. Check again the last one, the Y, right? Y is carrying what? Y is collecting a signal W and the W is carrying D. So from this signal W going to Y is carrying D. So this is how to convert this set of equations to a signal flow graph.